Hello, my name is Andres Liu, and this is my final project tool selection research presentation. So what interests me is like transportation technology or something that relates to moving parts or getting people to somewhere. I'm really interested in the modes of transportation, stuff like maglev trains or electric cars, or even new ways of transportation such as Hyperloop and suborbital travel, which is pretty awesome because um, these uh, these modes of transportation can allow people or cargo to travel anywhere in 2 hours. Well, suborbital travel can allow people to travel anywhere in the globe for 2 hours. For Hyperloop, they can uh, they can go faster than the fastest maglev train, which is I think in Japan or China. So and they're very efficient and environmentally friendly. But I guess with all the constraints, I'm mainly gonna focus on, I guess, an automobile or a car. Mainly with its autonomous driving, sensing its environment, or safety for a person. So, what technology or tool I'm mostly focusing on is 3D modeling, but for my final project, I'm gonna use a combination of both 3D modeling and Arduino. So, what really interests me the most about 3D modeling or Onshape is that I can virtually make anything I want. So, with any sketch or design or idea, I can make these 3D prototypes. And with the CAD feature, I can calculate its volume. And there are many different approaches on making this prototype, and so many tools and applications that allow me to make whatever I want possible. And even though this is just 3D modeling, I can later on actually 3D print what I want to make. So I can actually use the prototype hands on and probably destroy it and make a better one. So, what do I want to achieve? Probably in this final project, I want to kind of make this not autonomous, but kind of like smart car that knows not to crash. I would first create a sketch, render a 3D model, and use physical components, of course, and probably have me or someone else use Arduino to make like a sensoring feature, have someone to do electrical components and actually controlling the automobile. We could 3D print the model in a local library. Many libraries have 3D printers, and after that, we could always improve the existing design by like testing it and see how we could uh, make this possible with physical constraints or any other constraints such as money, aesthetics, or usability. So for collaboration, I have some conditions. Of course, they had to be interested in creating something that moves. I want, or like, I hope I can collab with someone that is either good at 3D modeling or building electrical components with Arduino and building circuit boards for like the automobile. Um, Good at designing. We had to be creative about this. It was a final project. Using, of course, orthographic and isometric view, and getting work done on time. You don't want a late project, and working together of course. So that's my presentation. Thank you very much.